get started. My hustle game retarded, transported to the trunk from a bando apartment. Transform it and record it, let the music fiend snort it with a flow so foreign, you had to import it. Niggas want some beats, but they can't afford them. I'm in it for a super check, not superstardom. But don't get it twisted, I got love for the culture. This is business, we got in it to get up off the corner. Lyrical genius, and I don't carry a backpack. Scratch that, nigga, I got Wahoo on my snapback. I remember traffic and crack outside a rat shack. Now I'm getting racks for talking shit and spitting raps. Relax, nigga, them just facts. I do it to the max, adrenaline rushing off of the thrax. And eventually I overlap ya. D187, aka Mr. Spectacular. Seven grind so spectacular. Vampire life, no sleeping, I'm Dracula. I ain't tripping off these rap niggas, I'm good. Ain't no motherfucking Hollywood in my hood, but it probably should. Let you tell it, but that's the fucking problem. All you ever do is tell it. I put that shit in a bag, hit the block and sell it. I don't run for no beef if it's popping off, then let it. I let you live if you keep it moving, no need to stress it. You know exactly what's going on, no need to guess it. Niggas full of unleaded, somebody gassed them up. And they don't know where they headed, I'm about to pass them up. You in a traffic jam with a double cup of lean. I'm in the fast lane puffing green, nigga, yeah I mean. And eventually I overlap ya. D187, aka Mr. Spectacular.
On that beat, going crazy.